When you enter into UpdateAI, the first thing you'll be presented with is your past meetings dashboard. This is where you'll see all of your past meetings. Most folks generally like to have two filters applied to this dashboard. They want to see only their own meetings. However, alternatively, they could deselect this and see all of the meetings for anybody in their workspace, provided that the owners of those meetings made it visible to them to see. They also want to be able to see only the ready state meetings. Now, meetings in ready state effectively means that it's been completely processed, there's been no quirks, and it's ready to be viewed and go to see the analysis. Other types of states include if a meeting is currently being processed, if it wasn't recorded, if it was skipped, those sorts of other states. You can also sort and filter by different accounts that you want to see, customer accounts, by the meeting type, or by internal or external meetings only. Search is also a popular functionality if you want to search across different titles for the meeting and look for meetings by title, also by account, or by different participants. You can see here that it shows me the mapped account if my CRM has been mapped to my workspace. And from here, I can filter by the account as well, or I can open up that account page for that particular mapped account. In the upcoming meeting tabs, I'll see all of my upcoming meetings. Important to note is that you will only see meetings that are associated with a video conference, whether that video conference is Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, or WebEx. We will not show you on the upcoming meetings or past meetings tab any meetings that were not on a video conferencing system because we don't want to crowd the space for you. Here is where you can override the default settings for any particular meetings, as long as you're the owner of that meeting. So if I have a meeting recorded, set to record, and I want to turn that off, I can simply click the toggle on the right, or I can click it back. Within this upcoming meeting preview dashboard, I can also change the visibility settings of my meeting. I can change the meeting type, and I can add a purpose statement. A purpose statement gives our AI a little bit more context about, well, the purpose of the meeting, the objective or goal that you're trying to drive with that meeting. And with that little bit of extra context, it drastically improves the precision of the AI insights that you'll receive because it gives the AI additional parameters when drafting its analysis. Lastly, going back to your past meetings, if you don't see a meeting that you think we missed, contact us. You'll see the link straight there, top right of your dashboard, and it'll pop open an email for you to send to our support team.